Want to make your own game music with AI? Here's a quick step-by-step guide to get you started. First, choose a reliable platform like Ava, SoundRaw, or Boomy is the one that I'm going to use in this video. These lets you generate music tailored for games in just minutes. Decide if your game needs epic orchestral, retro 8-bit chill background, or suspenseful music. Input that style into the AI. Set the mood, adventurous, pulses, ambient, natural, and click Create Song. Let the AI create a few versions, pick the one you like, then tweak instruments, loops, or length to match your cutscenes. Finally, export the track in MP3 or WAV, then add it into your game engine like Unity or Unreal. Test it in game and make sure it feels just right. And that's how you use AI to make songs. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.